Owning a Toyota Tundra is awesome, but let's be real. Rolling around with an open truck bed is asking for trouble. Rain, dust, and even sticky-fingered folks can ruin your day. That's where a solid tonneau cover comes in. It keeps your cargo safe, secure, and clean, while giving your truck a slick, finished look. Today, I'll break down the best tonneau covers for Toyota Tundra based on durability, security, and ease of use. And hey, don't forget, all the links to these covers are down in the description. The Syneticusa MB cover is a beast when it comes to security and durability. Built from heavy-duty aluminum, it can handle up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight. The retractable design makes access smooth, and the double locks keep your gear safe. It's got dust and waterproof seals, plus drainage tubes to keep water out. Sleek, low-profile style with UV protection means it looks sharp while holding up against tough weather. Perfect if you want premium protection without sacrificing convenience. Next up, the OEDRO FRP Tri-Fold cover, which packs a ton of value. Its high-strength fiberglass panels can take on heavy loads and resist rain, snow, and even scratches from sharp objects. Installation is super easy, no drilling needed, and it even comes with a strap, clamps, and a free LED light. The locking mechanism feels secure, and it's built to last. If you want strong protection and an easy setup, this one's a solid choice. The RealTruck BAK is all about versatility and quality. Made in the USA, this hard folding cover gives you 100% bed access and still keeps the third brake light visible. The aluminum panels feel rugged, and the auto-latching system adds a layer of security vinyl covers just can't match. It also has dual drain tubes and perimeter seals to keep rain out. Plus, it looks flush with the bed for that clean factory style. With a 2-year warranty, it's a reliable long-term pick. MaxMate's roll-up cover is a budget-friendly option that still delivers big. It's made from heavy-duty marine-grade vinyl with aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps. So it's tough enough for everyday use. Built-in crossbars add support, and it rolls up easily when you need full bed access. The Velcro and latch lock system keeps it tight and weatherproof, and installation is quick with no drilling needed. Best part? It comes with a 10-year warranty, which is hard to beat in this price range. Finally, the Tyger Auto T3 soft tri-fold cover is a fan favorite. It's lightweight, simple, and installs in minutes with a clamp and latch system. The marine-grade vinyl and aluminum frame give it durability, while pre-assembled crossbars provide support. Folding it up for full bed access is super convenient, and the limited lifetime warranty makes it a worry-free investment. If you're new to tonneau covers or just want an easy, affordable upgrade, the Tyger T3 is a no-brainer. So there you have it, the best tonneau covers for your Toyota Tundra. Whether you need max security, all-weather durability, or just a budget-friendly upgrade, there's a cover here that'll fit your lifestyle. Remember, all the product links are in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more truck gear reviews coming your way.